Avenge means to get revenge or settle a score, often by punishing someone for a wrong. It involves seeking satisfaction for an injury. Synonym: retaliate. Deluge, as a noun, refers to a great flood or a heavy fall of rain, symbolizing anything arriving in vast quantities. As a verb, it means to flood. Synonyms include swamp and inundate, while antonyms are trickle and dribble. Giddy describes a state of dizziness or lightheadedness, often accompanied by a lack of seriousness. Synonyms include faint, frivolous, and flighty, while antonyms are level-headed, serious, earnest, and sober. Impact refers to the striking of one object against another, often causing a shock or collision. It can also mean to affect something forcefully. Synonyms include collision, blow, and effect. Understanding impact is crucial in fields like physics and engineering, where forceful interactions are analyzed for safety and efficiency. Liberate means to free from bondage or domination, essentially to release. Synonyms include untie and unshackle, while antonyms are imprison, fetter, shackle, and bind. Understanding this term is crucial in contexts where freedom and autonomy are discussed, highlighting the contrast between liberation and confinement. Optional refers to something left to one's own choice, not required. Synonyms include voluntary and discretionary, while antonyms are required, mandatory, and compulsory. Understanding these distinctions helps in making informed decisions about obligations and freedoms. Rotund describes something rounded and plump or full and rich in sound. Synonyms include portly and sonorous, while antonyms are angular, lanky, and gaunt. Understanding these nuances helps in accurately describing physical forms or auditory experiences, enhancing both written and spoken communication. Saunter, a verb, means to stroll or walk in an easy, leisurely way. As a noun, it refers to a stroll. Synonyms include ramble, amble, and promenade. In contrast, antonyms are speed, race, hurry, dash, scurry, and rush, highlighting a more hurried pace. Subordinate refers to someone lower in rank or position, often under the orders of another. As an adjective, it describes something secondary. Synonyms include assistant and helper, while antonyms are superior and chief. Understanding these distinctions is crucial in organizational hierarchies and effective communication. Verge refers to the point where something begins or happens, often described as a border. As a verb, it means to incline or approach a change. Synonyms include brink, threshold, and edge, highlighting its role as a precursor to transformation or action.